property border on one side has a lot of sumac plants. It's actually Smooth Sumac, not poison sumac, and there's another edible sumac called Staghorn Sumac. And at this time of year they start putting on these seeds. They kind of look like berries, and they're nice bright pinkish red, and they're sour, similar to lemons, but they have a little bit of a fruity kind of fruit punch flavor. So today we are going to be cutting some of these clusters and making a special treat to go with our dinner. So we have our basket full. Let's go into the house and I'll show you what we're gonna make. Now that we're inside, I have rinsed every little bunch under the faucet just to clean them off a little bit. And you guys, this cannot get any easier. We're just going to put these bunches in a jar. We're gonna divide them, you know, between the two. And we're essentially going to make a sun tea with them. Fill them up 3/4 of the way with water. That way, when it's done, if we need to add any extra water to dilute it or any little sweeteners to make it extra yummy, we'll have the room to do that. All right, they are in there. Now we just need to fill these up with filtered water. Now that they're filled up, we're just gonna smash the little bunches down into the water just to make sure that they are submerged. And we'll put a cap on each one and put them outside in a sunny spot. Now we are gonna leave these out in the sun for several hours. If you didn't have a sunny day, or if you didn't want to put it out to make a sun tea, you could really just let these sit on the counter for, 12 hours or more, but we want to speed it up so we can have it with our dinner. So we're just going to keep these out there until the water turns to a nice bright pink, and then we'll bring it in and strain it. Today we're getting ready for the farmer's market, and the girls are baking cookies. Samantha, what kind of cookies are you making today?
I'm making a coffee sugar cookie.
Yum!
I am making regular sugar cookies.
Alright, here's what we got from our potatoes today. These are what we call bonus potatoes. They're bonus potatoes because we didn't really plant these. We actually just kind of left some in from last winter, or last fall, and they stayed in the ground over winter. We never had time to dig them up, and then this spring they came back up, and so now we just dug them up, and this is what we got. So not bad for unintentional potatoes. 3.5 more buckets of cucumbers. They just won't end.
Two more baskets of tomatoes. These are slicers.
Nice basket full of green beans. While Sarah's inside watching her soap operas, I was out here working away in the garden as usual. We're gonna have these with dinner tonight. Not all of them though.
I don't watch soap operas. So we have these in the house. They were outside in the sun for probably a good 6 hours. It's a pale pink liquid inside there now. So I'm gonna strain out everything that's inside here through one coffee filter. I'm gonna use my canning funnel and just clip the coffee filter in place so that it doesn't fall right through down into the jar. So here we go. Hopefully it doesn't take very long. And then we can take out the seeds and the stems and put them in the compost pile. Isn't that a pretty light pink color? They're both strained. What a beautiful color. Now we're just gonna put them in the fridge and let them cool off. We tried a little bit. It's so sour, but a good sour. So we are actually going to fill the rest of this up with water, and then we'll add a little bit of sugar before we have it with our dinner.
Grilled rabbit for dinner tonight. Normally we just make one rabbit. Today I'm going to make 2, so we have leftovers when we get home from the farmer's market tomorrow. Gotta grill up those belly flaps. We never used to eat the belly flaps, but based on suggestions from you guys, we gave them another try. And they're actually pretty good. They get done fast. It's a nice snack while you're waiting for the rest of the food to get done. So we'll put those on.
It's the moment of truth with the Sumac-ade, or the Sumac Punch. We ended up adding about a half a cup of sugar to the juice because it was really tart. So we're going to try it as a family. And
I'll admit that I tried just a tiny bit when I put the sugar in just to see how sweet it would be. But they haven't tried any at all.
okay, everybody.
All right.
Yep. Tastes exactly like lemonade.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It tastes like lemonade.
It does taste almost exactly like lemonade.
Yeah, I think it tastes like lemonade, but like just a little fruity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not-
it's really good.
Not like berry, but I don't know, fruity.
It's definitely refreshing like lemonade.
Mm-hmm. So you guys, we're gonna get to eating our dinner. It was so nice to have you along on the homestead today. If you like our channel and are not a subscriber yet, right now is a perfect time to hit the subscribe button below. And for all of you who come back 5 days a week to watch all of our videos, our traditionalists, you guys, we appreciate you so much. Before you go, if you could share this video on all your social media and hit the notification bell. And until next time, thanks so much for stopping by the homestead. Take care and God bless.
God bless.
Let's eat the world's loudest bug. Seriously. Flying above us right now.